The adoption of a Shiba Inu by Bill Gates has been confirmed. I'm glad you could all return to rich coin. Shiba Inu, whose market capitalization and volume have been on the rise recently. Even now, the token is a popular choice among whales. Those whales are definitely following that. Invest in the shift and buy a gazillion SHIB tokens. The Shiba Inu Metaverse has been well received by Citibank. OKX is leveraging SHIB to grow their fan base. Leash tokens in the millions. The doors are locked. With regard to the sale of SHIB land, the rate of SHIB combustion is skyrocketing. The adoption of a Shiba Inu by Bill Gates has been confirmed, and we'll be discussing that in today's video. The smash, the thumbs, must not be forgotten. Please like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss any of our future updates on the future value of Shiba Inus and specialized evaluation. And now, without further ado, the video will begin. Inventor of Microsoft, Bill. Mr. Gates has a huge amount of compassion in his heart. Through vaccine research and numerous donations, he has been aiding underprivileged nations and communities. In any case, even though it's pure conjecture, some people think Bill Gates invested in Shiba Inus. Bill Gates has never spoken on his wealth, or doesn't have in his resume. Microsoft's possible acquisition of Activision was widely speculated upon in the weeks leading up to the official announcement. Close to $70 worth of goods and services exchanged. It cost $1 billion to get ready. Leave such conjecture alone. Retired Vice President William Volk, a company called Activision, hired them. Shida, developer Kusama Shiba Inu, those meme tokens, to have a common interest with Microsoft was a indication of optimism. That's the case for people who are anticipating. The Shiba Inu is the dog Bill Gates is going to adopt. Coin, whose worth has cratered in recent times. Days. In general, I agree with. Although there are other foundations to the cryptocurrency market, tokens are a key component. Several new programs have been introduced for the Shiba Inu currency. The result was a significant price increase. The Shiba Inu, or Japanese Spitz, Guide to the Metaverse. Expect an official announcement shortly. Most recently, because of these efforts, the cost of a Shiba Inu shot through the roof. In the wake of having over a 5% rise in the Metaverse throughout the past week. Despite the fact that SHIB was on fire, although prices have dropped from their record high, they are still higher than they were a year ago, 46 million% from the record low seen a year earlier. They were able to rake in $1.13 B through trade, placing them in 15th place globally, along with a greater than sign, $14, a market cap of $1 billion. Cryptocurrency whales have. The dip was always a favorite. We have taken advantage of the current low price of tokens to buy a large quantity of them. Days. The Bomber whale scored a 19th place finish position and spent more than $273 doing so. Billion. SHIB, as the whale states would say. The Tsunami whale is third this week and has won over the audience. 86. The cryptocurrency market is worth $2.3 billion, or a billion SHIBs. The selling tracking website revealed this large buying, thus the wealthy whales did more than merely buy. The equivalent of over $2.31 million in 86.81 billion SHIB. This purchase adds to the 1.7 trillion chips already in the Senate's pocketbook. Toy Shiba Inu, 24th token in the $47 M Tsunade wallet. Tsunade is the 27th wealthiest whale on list, keeping a SHIB in one's grasp. One at the top of their game. The whale's eye contains more than 34 billion SHIB, or almost $904 million. Toy Shiba Inu. Among the 1,000 Ethereum whales, it was the second largest token in terms of monetary value, with 13.19, equivalent to or greater than $1.04 per share. Billion. An abundance of crypto whales. Several digital currencies, including Ethereum and Dogecoin, are thriving. While SHIB is still recuperating from the bear, the cryptocurrency market is booming. Outbreak. In comparison, Shiba Inus are doing quite well. It's important to include both the little investors and the crypto whales. Played a pivotal part in driving up the cost of Shiba Inus. Several whale accounts, each of which controls a substantial portion of the SHIB circulation, are responsible for its operation, according to the statistics. A species of Ethereum whales. They are always hedging their bets on SHIB investments. A good gain from the price increase of cryptocurrencies. But the burning events are, too. The value of the Shiba Inu themed meme is rising as a result. Leaked whale data. According to this latest tweet titled Top 10, the Shiba Inu is one of the 10 most popular tokens, buying 100 of the largest whales with tokens in the previous 24 hours. You may see that following Ethereum on the list, a Shiba Inu dog. It is the coin that has been purchased the fourth most by the 100 largest whales when considering the average amount spent of 23,000. Each whale splurged on around 868 million shib on the average. The number of shib's relationships with cryptocurrency exchanges and has grown since the Shiba Inu announcement. A release is planned. Shibarium is helping the token SHIB out. Arium is expected to address numerous systemic problems plaguing the current infrastructure, having characteristics typical to Shiba Inus. A similar announcement was made by it, come out in style. Relatively recently, the Metaverse. It was anticipated by several shareholders. In other words, this is something brand new. Metaverse, except Shiba Inus, that it would continue to expand in a manner analogous to that of the previous period, an amount of time equal to 2 years, more so in 2021, when its growth was a devastating 43,800,000%. But there were also other, more knowledgeable voices. The Bitcoin community then began to doubt the positive effects of the Metaverse, regarding the value of memes as a currency, and whether or not investing in this cryptocurrency would be a good idea right now. There will be a gathering of Shiba Inu Metaversers. This digital token is worth a certain amount of points to its owners. Games. The system may incorporate a combination of virtual land and non-fungible tokens. NFTs. Shiba Inu becomes the exclusive currency of this location, giving users more ways to spend their digital currency. Exactly 648 people agree with you. Businesses. The Shiba Inu development team has released an official statement. Land parcels will be made available over time. Together, we will break down these barriers. There are already over 36,000 digitally split parcels of land, separated into the following 4 categories and opening stage minimum bid prices. Value is taken into account while determining prices. According to the ETH coins in circulation as of this writing, the formal announcement of the endeavor, those who invest in the SHIB virtual world's real estate are guaranteed a voice and influence in the community, growing the project in the short and long term. Landowners might profit from this not just in terms of voting or governance, but also in terms of the revenue it brings in, gathering in-game currency passively, to generate and use resources. Rewards. This was something that the Shiba Inu breeders were planning for. It's likely that the decision to employ Ether will raise some eyebrows. They explained the reasoning behind the change. For the record, I want to say that we plan to make use of the group has agreed to use the collected monies to fund the creation of the Metaverse. Utilize a value-neutral coin that can be exchanged for stable currency. Coins for the taking. That, however, wasn't the only feasible rationale the group tacked on. Incorporate